Welcome back to our channel, Young Creators. In this video, I am going to explain you about heat with the help of flowchart method. Heat is a form of energy which flows from hot to cool object. The heat can also be expressed as thermal expansion. The thermal expansion means increase in the volume of a material as its temperature is increased. The thermal expansion has 5 sections. They are liquid, gas, solid, thermometer and temperature. Now let us see about the 5 sections one by one. A liquid is a nearly incompressible fluid that conforms to the shape of its container. Gas is one of the 4 fundamental states of matter. A pure gas may be made up of individual atoms. The third section is solid. Solid is one of the 4 basic states of matter. A solid forms from liquid or gas because the energy of the atoms decrease. The fourth section is thermometer. A instrument for measuring and indicating the temperature is called thermometer. Thermometer has 5 types. They are digital thermometer, ear thermometer, infrared thermometer, strip type thermometer and mercury thermometer. In the next video, I will cover the types of the thermometer in detail. The last section is temperature. Temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in an object. There are 2 types in liquid. They are boiling and evaporation. We can see the types one by one. Boiling point, temperature at which the pressure exerted. The last type is evaporation. Evaporation is the process where liquid changes their state into gas or vapor. There are 1 type in boiling and evaporation, that is application. An application that simulates real world activities using mathematics. There are 3 types in temperature. There are Fahrenheit scale, Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. A temperature scale that defines the freezing point of water is called Fahrenheit scale. The next section is Celsius scale. Celsius scale is also known as centigrade scale. Is a temperature scale based on the 0 degree for the freezing point of water. The last type is Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale is a scale of temperature beginning at the absolute 0 is called Kelvin scale. Let us see about heat transfer in the next slide. Heat transfer is actually the flow of heat spot to cold one. The heat transfer has 3 processes. They are conduction, convection and radiation. process one by one. Conduction is the process by which the heat energy is transmitted. The second process is convection. Convection is the circular motion. The air or liquid that happens air or liquid which is heated molecules makes it less dense, and then heat pushes up the cooler molecules up. These changes can result in wind, cloud or other weathers. The last section is radiation. Radiation is an energy that comes from the source and travels through the space at the speed of light. There are two groups in conduction. There are good conductors of heat and bad conductors of heat. Let us see about the groups one by one. Good conductors of heat is nothing but the material that allow heat to pass through them easily. The last group is bad conductors of heat. Bad conductors of heat is actually the substance through which heat is not conducted easily. There are two parts in radiation. They are dark colored things and light colored things. Let us see about the parts one by one. Dark colored things is the surface that absorbs all the radiant energy falling on it. The last section is light colored things. Light colored things is nothing but the surface that do not absorb the radiant energy falling on it. Do you know why I inserted this goat image in this slide? I will tell you. Because goats can tolerate more summer heat because they have loose skin on their body, and the presence of floppy ears cause them more heat tolerant as compared to any other animal. Thank you for watching this video. Please like,